We can also call it as a 2D motion or motion in a plane. First, before starting, disclaimer: when body moves in a curved path, equation given by the Newton, which is V is equal to U plus AT, S is equal to U T plus half AT square, and V square minus U square is equal to 2S are not valid. Motion in curve part is equal to omega naught plus AT square. Theta is equal to omega naught T plus half alpha T square. Omega square minus omega naught square is equal to 2 alpha theta. For this equation, alpha must be constant. If alpha is not constant, then we have to do differentiation or integration. Basic maths, it is tool. To find L is equal to R theta. Theta must be in radian. S is 2R sine theta upon 2. You must remember it. Next, kinematics of circular motion. First, angular displacement, we can denote it by theta. It is dimensionless. It is a vector quantity. And its unit is degree or radian. Second, velocity. There are two types in velocity: linear velocity and angular velocity. First, angular velocity. It is vector quantity. Its formula is omega is equal to d theta upon dt, and its direction is perpendicular to plane. Next, linear velocity. Its formula is v is equal to ds upon dt. Next, a relation between linear velocity and angular speed. S is equal to radius theta. Theta is equal to S upon R. V is equal to R omega where omega is equal to V upon R. Disclaimer, only valid for circular motion when velocity and radius are perpendicular. Omega is equal to component of velocity is perpendicular to radius upon length of radius. Next, frequency and time period. Frequency f is equal to 1 by t is equal to 1 by f. In frequency, omega is equal to 2 pi f is equal to 2 pi upon t. Next, acceleration. In acceleration, there are two types: angular acceleration and linear acceleration. In linear acceleration, there are also two types: one tangential and another centripetal. First, centripetal, it changes direction of velocity. Its direction always towards center. It cannot be zero because without centripetal acceleration, circular motion is impossible, and centripetal acceleration is equal to AC is equal to V square upon R. Tangential acceleration changes linear speed. Its direction is tangentially to circular path, and tangential AT is equal to dV upon dt. Next, angular acceleration. It is vector quantity. Its direction is parallel or anti-parallel to omega plane of circular path, and its unit is radian per second square. Unit second square. And disclaimer, when body is moving in uniform circular motion, AT is equal to 0, A net is equal to AC. Next, dynamic of circular motion. First, conical pendulum. Conical pendulum tan theta is equal to V square upon Rg, where V is equal to root Rg tan theta. Second, motion in a smooth cone. Free body diagram. N cos theta, N sin theta, and mg. Here N cos theta is equal to mg, N sin theta is equal to mv square upon r. Next, third, death well. Here is a particle which is moving in a circular motion. Its normal reaction force is towards towards center. Its force upward, and mass towards down mg, and it is radius r. So F is equal to mg and N is equal to mv square upon r. Here mu is equal to rg upon v square. Here v is equal to root gr upon mu. Next, vertical circular motion. Here first condition to complete vertical circle. Here is the center. Here at A, mu is equal to root 5 gr and T is equal to 6 mg. And at B, V mean is equal to root gr and T is equal to 0. And second condition to leaving the circle. Here cos theta is equal to minus v square upon rg t tp is equal to 0 and v is not equal to 0. Here root 2 gr is less than equal to u and u is less than equal to root 5 gr. Next, third condition for oscillation. here 0 is less than u and u is less than equal to root 2 gr. At q v is equal to 0, but t cannot be 0 ऑफ एनर्जी पिलोली है और वो बैडमिंटन और उसके ऊपर बुक्स रखे तो बैलेंस होने के लिए, और इधर ये यह मोबाइल सेट किया है जिससे ये क्लियर दिखे।